What if every step you took felt strong, stable, and full of confidence? What if your legs no longer ached or wobbled but carried you with purpose and ease? As we grow older, staying mobile isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's walking to the mailbox, playing with grandchildren, or simply moving around the house, your leg strength determines your freedom. But here's something most people overlook. The strength in your legs doesn't just depend on exercise, it depends heavily on the right nutrition. Today, we're diving into the top 7 essential vitamins and minerals that can help you build stronger, more reliable legs, naturally. From muscle power to circulation and joint health, these nutrients work behind the scenes to help you move with more energy, less pain, and greater stability. So if you're looking to stay independent, active, and fall free well into your golden years, this video is for you. 7 nutrients that rebuild your leg strength. Before we begin, let us know in the comments. Where are you watching from today? We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a tip from Elder Essentials. Let's walk this journey to strength together. Nutrient number 1, magnesium. The unsung hero of muscle function. Magnesium isn't flashy, but it's one of the most important minerals for your legs. Why? Because magnesium controls how your muscles contract and relax. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, restless legs at night. Older adults are especially prone to magnesium deficiency because our bodies absorb less as we age, and certain medications can deplete it further. Adding magnesium-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and black beans to your diet can help. Or talk to your doctor about a supplement, especially if you're experiencing frequent leg discomfort. Nutrient number 2, vitamin K2. The bone protector. You've probably heard of calcium and vitamin D for bones, but vitamin K2 is the missing link in the puzzle. It directs calcium into your bones and away from your arteries, where it can cause stiffness and circulation problems. This means better bone density, fewer fractures, and more flexibility in your legs. K2 is found in fermented foods like natto, sauerkraut, and some cheeses, but it's tough to get enough from diet alone, especially in the West. Consider adding a K2 supplement, especially if you're already taking vitamin D or calcium. Nutrient number 3, vitamin B12. The nerve guard. Weakness in the legs, tingling, numbness. It's not always a circulation issue. Sometimes it's your nerves crying out for help. Vitamin B12 is essential for healthy nerve function and energy metabolism. As we get older, our stomach produces less acid, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. The result? Wobbly legs, slow reflexes, general fatigue. You'll find B12 in animal products like eggs, dairy, and fish. But if you're plant-based or over 60, a B12 supplement or injection might be your best bet. Nutrient number 4, omega-3 fatty acids. For flexible joints and better flow. Your leg strength isn't just about muscle. It's also about mobility and circulation. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and in flax seeds, reduce inflammation in your joints and improve blood flow. That means less joint stiffness, fewer aches in the knees and hips, stronger muscles due to improved oxygen supply. If you don't eat much fish, look into a high-quality fish oil supplement, or try algae-based omega-3s if you're vegetarian. Nutrient number 5, potassium. The cramp fighter. You've probably experienced this. You're lying in bed, and suddenly, a leg cramp strikes out of nowhere. Often, this is due to low potassium. Potassium helps balance fluids and electrolytes, keeping your muscles functioning smoothly. It also supports heart health and helps regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for overall circulation to your lower limbs. Good sources include bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, coconut water. Stay hydrated and eat a potassium-rich diet to keep those nighttime cramps at bay. Nutrient number 6, collagen. The structural support. Collagen is the glue that holds your joints, tendons, and ligaments together. And after age 50, our natural collagen production drops significantly. What does that mean? Stiffer knees, slower recovery, greater risk of injury. Collagen supports the connective tissues that keep your legs stable and moving. To boost your levels, you can consume bone broth, collagen powders, or supplements that contain type 1 and 3 collagen, which are most effective for joints and skin. Nutrient number 7, vitamin E. The muscle energizer. Vitamin E is often praised for skin health, but did you know it also protects your muscle cells from damage? It acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping your muscles recover from daily wear and tear. It also improves blood flow, which brings nutrients and oxygen to your legs. Vitamin E is found in sunflower seeds, spinach, almonds, olive oil. Just one handful of nuts a day could make a big difference in your muscle endurance. Closing scene. Uplifting music, seniors walking confidently, gardening, lifting light weights, and smiling narrator. Voiceover: strong legs don't just carry you. They carry your dreams, your freedom, and your independence. And it all starts with what you put into your body. By giving your legs the nutrients they need, you're not just avoiding weakness, you're actively building strength, energy, and confidence. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend or loved one, and don't forget to subscribe to Elder Essentials for more empowering tips on living your best life after 60. Comment below, which of these nutrients are you already taking? And which one are you going to try next? Until next time, keep moving forward, and remember, it's never too late to get stronger.